One of the most important study tips I could ever give anyone is to try and prioritize sleep as much as you can, especially the night before an exam. I get wicked test anxiety, and it usually starts at least the night before an exam, and so I don't get much sleep. I just lay there, just freaking out about the exam and just not sleeping. And so I've taken a lot of exams on little to no sleep, and it just makes it worse. I can't think clearly, I'm not able to focus as well, and I'm in a terrible mood. So if any of that sounds familiar to you, I just want to share with you a technique that has done wonders for me and made it way easier for me to get to sleep. It's called cognitive shuffling, and it's a very simple technique. All you do is just pick a word. One of my go-tos is polymerization. It's a nice long word with a good variation of letters. And you just go through the word, letter by letter, and you just list 5 random words that start with each of those letters. So polymerization, you start with P. Pirate, pig, petunia, potato. Down with the patriarchy, whatever. And then you move on to O. Oxygen, ostrich, whatever, until you get through the word or fall asleep. If you do get all the way through the word, no big deal. Pick another word, and you just keep going. Just do the same thing. And what this does is it allows your mind to focus on a very simple, mundane task. So instead of thinking about that exam you have tomorrow, along with that paper that's due soon and the group project you haven't started on yet, not to mention all the other worries that come along with being a person in the world, it takes all of that stuff and it just sets it to the side and allows you to just go pig, pirate, potato, while this other stuff just fades off into the background and you just drift off to sleep. Now, I will say, I can't tell you how to stay asleep because I also have night terrors. So within an hour or two, I'm going to be screaming at the top of my lungs at something from the shadow realm while my wife shakes me, telling me it's going to be okay. So I can't help you there. But if you have trouble getting to sleep, I recommend you try cognitive shuffling.